Okay guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to make an immunity shot. Well, this is really going to be like an actual immunity smoothie. So you can either take a whole lemon or a whole orange. I did a whole orange. I also took just a small piece of fresh ginger root. You can also use ground ginger if that's what you have. For greens today, you want to do a dark green leafy vegetable. You can do spinach, you can do any type of kale that you like. I chose to do kale. You can add some elderberry syrup if you have it. You gotta put turmeric in it. Now this is like a really good immunity boosting ingredient. So as you can see, I have everything in there. And if you really want to kick it up a notch, cayenne pepper is the way to go. Just a small little pinch of cayenne. Add raw honey if that's what you want, if you want to make it a little bit sweeter. And then you just do a nice blend. 100% orange juice. You don't have to do that, but it just helps my blender make it more smooth when I add some type of liquid. Use whatever kind of juice, water. You can honestly use a little bit of water, and that'll do the trick to blend it smoothly.
Straws here, cups, a glass.
What color is our smoothie?
Green.
Green, okay, and what's in it? What's that behind you?
Glass.
Okay, and then what else do we have? We have oranges, huh? Okay.
And kind of stuff for beers.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Good job. Oh.
Smoothie ever.
And there you have it, folks. The most delicious smoothie ever. Okay, drink it, Naya. You be the first one to taste it.
Yummy.
And the main ingredient I forgot to show you guys to add is my Irish sea moss gel. It's a homemade gel that I made from Irish sea moss. So if you're interested in seeing a tutorial on how I do that, leave a comment below.